Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to plan and activate temperature profiles with our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. If you haven't seen our video about setting up and managing temperature profiles, make sure to check it out first before proceeding. Okay, let's have a look at the PRESTO menu. You can find the programmer in the submenu Use Programmer. To activate temperature profiles, simply tap on Start Profile. I will show you an example. First, you have to select your desired profile. The profile can be repeated infinitely, or you can choose the number of loops depending on your temperature control task. In this case, you don't want to repeat the profile. In the section End Behavior, you can define the status after the profile is finished. You can define standby, the last set point, or the start set point as final state. We simply choose standby. To start the profile, you have two options. The profile can be started immediately or can be planned via date and time. We want the profile to start immediately. You can also repeat a profile in a certain interval or plan a series of days. Simply choose Use Programmer Series, where you can set all the parameters you will need. With OK, you will activate our profile. In this case, the profile will start immediately. Back on the home screen, the details of the profile are shown in the lower left corner. You can also use this area as a shortcut to pause and resume, abort or edit the profile. For a schedule series, tap the calendar icon in the upper left corner. There you can see the start date and time. As you can see, there are quite a lot of possibilities to set the perfect profile also for your specific application. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.